custom-built designer estate in lovely Kenwood Estates of Wake Forest. Nestled on a tree-lined 0.91-acre lot. Charming southern rocking chair front porch invites you into the home. Enter the gleaming hardwoods found throughout the main level. And an open floor plan and designed with upper and lower windows to allow lots of natural light. The gourmet kitchen boasts stainless appliance, granite countertops, complementing tile backsplash and bronze fixtures. Plenty of seating at the large peninsula and breakfast area. The formal dining room features arched doorways, coffered ceiling and custom wainscot. Find the master retreat on the first floor. With an ensuite master bathroom that features garden tub, glass shower with bench seat and counter space with center sinks. The sunroom at the back of the owner's retreat has private access to the screen porch. The staircase is accessed from the entry foyer. Upstairs you will find the teen suite with its own living room perfect for study. And a bedroom area that features a walk-in closet and its own ensuite bathroom. The upstairs hallway separates the teen suite from the other two bedrooms and bonus room. The third bedroom with ceiling fan and view of the backyard. And a fourth bedroom features a ceiling fan and large closet. This bonus room makes a perfect office, playroom, game room or workout room and TV room as shown. Enjoy the outdoors from the large screen porch that is accessed from both the breakfast room and master retreat sunroom. And the backyard was designed to be able to add a built-in pool in the future. Walking distance to Falls Lake, easy access to Nindy 8 and 540 and minutes to downtown Wake Forest. 7604 Arbor Mist Lane is ready for you to make it here today.